Good morning, friends. It is December 25th, and I decided since I had a few days off, I was going to go do some camping. I camped last night at Cato Lake State Park. It's in East Texas, almost to Louisiana. And I thought this morning while it's cold out, I'm going to go explore this area and see some things I've never seen before. It's only 29 degrees, so I figured I might as well be in the warm van until it warms up this afternoon. Then I'm going to go back and make myself a Christmas dinner. Anyway, I thought I would take you along today and see what we can see. It's really pretty out here in the piney woods.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Got the sheriff's department. That's handy. Oh, this is pretty. Campers? I did not know they allowed camping here. Huh. There's a campsite right there on the water. Well, how lovely is this? Got electric hookups. Oh. And then this is the primitive area. Well, isn't this just beautiful? Good morning, geese. Alrighty then, that is very marshy. Very marshy indeed. There should be a gator right there. I love finding unexpected cool little campgrounds. This is really neat. It's very, very pretty. Who knew? And yeah, there really should be a alligator right there. It's very marshy. Very cool place. Alright, I'm going to go up to the day use area, hang out for a little while. I think it's legal to fly my drone here. I'm going to double check that, of course, but yeah. Check it out. Swim at your own risk. No swimming after dark and no diving from the trees. Aces. Okay. Yeah, this very last campsite, that would be the one. That would be the one. It's got an overturned trash can, but other than that, yeah, that's really nice. Right on the water. I wonder how much it costs to camp here. Alright, on the day use. Well, that's cool. They have a dump station, $2 if you're not a camper. And air. Free air? No, the hose is gone. Okay. Interesting. She's got the birds. Well, I'm afraid their floating pier has seen a better day. I don't think I'm going to go out there and float on that. Nope, don't think so. I was thinking about cooking breakfast out here, but man, it's a little bit chilly with that wind coming off the water. A slight breeze. Hopefully it won't be too windy today. It was cold yesterday because of that wind. Yeah, I think I'll just sit here and see if I see a gator float by. I hear they're slow motion this time of year, so be a great place for one. There's a beautiful little cypress grove right out there. So this little park is called Earl G. Williamson Park, and it's in Louisiana right over the state line. Now this is Cato Lake. It's the only freshwater lake in the state of Texas, and it's actually right on the border, so it's mostly Louisiana and just a little bit of it in Texas. So yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful lake. It's definitely unique with all the cypress trees and stuff. I was driving through this little town of Oil City, and I was amazed at all the old oil field stuff they still have laying around. So on my way back through, I will show you some of that. I find it very amazing, the technology and how they figured all that out. So apparently there was quite the boom around here at one point. All right, gators, where are ya? Here, gator, gator. That wind started picking up a little bit. My hands are frozen. Oh, I looked, it's only 33 degrees, so that explains it. But at least I got to fly my drone a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to go check out Oil City now. Take you along. Huh? Are they playing oil funnels? Looks like they're playing oil funnels. This is like some sort of old oil-filled cemetery. Look at all that old stuff. Yep, I bet this hasn't been used in quite some time. Pipes, pump jacks, all kinds of good things. Motors. Interesting. Yeah, I think Oil City was a booming place at one point, and then you know what happened. Going to downtown Oil City. See what's happening. Alright, this is interesting. There's little plug-ins at every third parking spot. That's kind of cool. I wonder. I'm not sure how the shopping basket plays into this, but yeah. Crazy. The technology, I tell ya, amazes me. What were they first thinking? They decided to pull oil out of the ground. All right, let's move on, shall we? Burr. So this is the Caddo Lake Drawbridge, 1914. That's pretty cool. Of course, since then they've built more bridges, so I guess there's no more use for that. No more need for the big oil boats to go through. How cool. I would love to see it work. I bet it hasn't worked in quite a while though, just to guess. Interesting. Sometimes I find this the coolest things when I'm out just wandering around. So it's been a very fun morning. I think I'm going to head back to camp though. I am hungry. I'm going to get a campfire going and I'm just going to spend my day chilling by the campfire. So today is Christmas Day. I'm sure you won't see this till sometimes next week because that's how I roll. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Oh, whoops. I'm clogging up traffic. Oopsie.